Ever pondered on the significance of the instrument landing system in aviation? Well, it's the unseen hero, the guiding light that helps pilots land safely, even in the thickest of fogs, the darkest of nights, or the worst of storms. The instrument landing system, often abbreviated as ILS, is a fascinating piece of technology. It's a two-part radio navigation system that provides aircraft with horizontal and vertical guidance just before and during landing. It's like an invisible pathway in the sky, guiding pilots to the runway, ensuring a safe and smooth landing. The first part of the ILS is the localizer. Imagine standing at the end of a runway looking straight ahead. The localizer provides left-right guidance for the aircraft. It transmits a radio signal that the aircraft's instruments interpret as a straight line extending from the runway. If the aircraft veers too far to the left or right, the instruments alert the pilot, who can then adjust the plane's course. The second part of the ILS is the glide slope. Picture a slide leading from the sky down to the runway. The glide slope provides up-down guidance. It transmits a radio signal that the aircraft's instruments interpret as a gentle slope leading down to the runway. If the aircraft is too high or too low, the instruments inform the pilot, who can then adjust the plane's altitude. In addition to the localizer and glide slope, the ILS may also include marker beacons. These radio transmitters provide the pilot with distance information. They signal the aircraft when it is at specific points along the glide slope. This helps the pilot know when to reduce speed, lower the landing gear, and prepare for landing. Of course, the ILS isn't the only system pilots use to land their aircraft. They also rely on their training, their experience, and other navigational aids. But the ILS is one of the most important tools in their arsenal. It has been around since the mid-20th century, and it has a proven track record of helping pilots land safely in challenging conditions. To sum up, the instrument landing system is a vital part of aviation. It's a two-part radio navigation system that provides horizontal and vertical guidance to aircraft during landing. The localizer provides left-right guidance, and the glide slope provides up-down guidance. Marker beacons may also be included to provide distance information. The ILS is a proven system that has been helping pilots land safely for over half a century. So next time you're in a plane, descending through the clouds towards the runway, spare a thought for the unseen hero of aviation, the instrument landing system. It might just be the reason you're able to touch down safely, no matter the weather conditions.